Amazing fact about earthquake. Picture the earth, peaceful and serene. Suddenly, it shakes, it roars. That's an earthquake, a force of nature. Do you know what causes them? The Earth's crust is not one solid piece. It's made of huge plates, always in motion. They grind and collide, causing tremors we feel as earthquakes. The largest recorded earthquake? Chile, 1960, with a staggering 9.5 magnitude. But here's a comforting fact: most quakes are too small to feel. So, don't worry, the Earth has been shaking for billions of years. It's how she stretches.